Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper spray arm in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper spray arm. The upper spray arm is installed at the top of the dishwasher, washing dishes in the upper dish rack. The main reason why the upper spray arm should be replaced is if it cracks, causing low water pressure, or gets badly clogged with debris and stops turning. In both cases, the result is dirty dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Let's pull the upper dish rack and slide it back so we can expose this rail end cap. To remove the rail end cap, you can either open this tab with your finger or use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull it up here on the side and slide it off. And now we're going to remove the opposite rail end cap the same way. Now I'm going to slide out the upper dish rack assembly. To remove the upper spray arm, we need to open two tabs, one on each side here. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and open it. Oh. Well, it came off. This is the old upper spray arm next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new upper spray arm goes on. We need to lock that sides on the two tabs. I will use the flat blade screwdriver to push it up because we have a gasket on the new one, which is make it a little harder to install. Make sure it's on both sides, as you can see. All right, now I'm going to slide the upper dish rack onto the rails. It goes right between the rollers and the opposite side. And pull out the rails, and we're going to install the end caps. The end cap goes on this way. We're going to place it on and press it to lock. The same thing on the opposite side. Roll the dish rack in and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.